We limit the size of a pattern to 64 rows and initialize a variable that will change the Y position of our screen so that we are able to move around in our pattern to display the invisible rows. We also regroup a few functions for the preprocessor to recognize. Now let's create the row counter on the right side. We head over the same pointers as we did in the draw everything function. We need them to send graphic data to the text processing unit. We create the loop that processes all numbers. I want to remind you to check out the description of my videos. They also contain some useful information or stuff I unintentionally left out. We specify that when we're moving the row number counter down and the numbers moving up, that the graphics of the row number counter should hide, otherwise they would interfere with the menu. We repeat the process again with the second and the third figure. When the first number reaches value 10, it shall start from begin, while the second number, the decade, moves one up. We also want to call the new function by the draw everything function. I need to regroup elements again. Let's compile and see what happens. For now we cannot move around though. We define another bunch of constants. The bitmask variable is a 32-bit large number which I will use for diverse Boolean operations, switching on or off menus, or to entangle various operations so they don't interfere with each other, or to mute off the channels. Everything is stored in that number. The row counter counts, as the name suggests, the rows when we move the cursor along via arrows or mouse wheel, which we will code now. We define the boundaries in which the cursor is allowed to move when we press the arrow buttons. Now let's code the mouse wheel. Turning the wheel about 1 degree moves the cursor 4 rows. I had some trouble with the brackets, I just copy-paste our already written code until it fits. Let's compile. You now can move around with the mouse wheel or the arrow keys in its set boundaries.